Welcome back, scholars. Let's keep practicing our bar graph. This time we have our favorite pets. Remember, this is the title. And remember, we have labels on both the x-axis and the y-axis. We've kept the same scale from 0 through 10 and making sure the numbers are equidistant from each other. And then we have the label pets. Number of students has remained the same, but now we have pets. So our favorite pets are dogs, turtles, and fish. And of course, this is not our class because we would also have cats there. And I don't know that anyone's favorite pet is turtles. But in this particular case, this particular class had these favorites. Okay, so let's look. Dogs. All right. That's always a class favorite, but let's say this time there were a total of 8 students who had that as their favorite. And that sure is not straight. That's better on that side. Always use an eraser. Do not use your finger as I'm doing. This is just for time's sake. But of course, I know that you are going to be more cautious, more conscientious than I. Okay. So let's go ahead and shade. And of course, this is not shading. Shading is more of the coloring in completely. But in the interest of time, we are going to draw the diagonal lines. Okay, turtles. So let's say, for instance, 3 people had a favorite pet that indicated that turtles were their favorite pets. And then finally, we have our fish. And quite a few of them, let's say 6 of them, liked fish. Oops. Okay. Go ahead and shade the bar in. And remember, with your bar graphs, make sure that you have spaces between your words. And make sure that there is a gap between each of the bars. If the bars are connected together, it becomes a different kind of graph, a histogram, which we're not going to be talking about at this time. So make sure, again, that there's a gap between the bars, there's space between the words. Make sure you always have a title, an x-axis, a y-axis, labels, a scale, the 9. All right, we look forward to seeing your bar graph.